I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist.
Hey guys, my name is DaisyZanel and today we're going to be talking about the reasons why I am a unicorn. Reason number 1. Unicorns love rainbows, or poop them, or live at the ends of... No, that's a leprechaun with gold. Who cares? I love rainbows, and for that reason I'm sure I must be a unicorn. Reason number 2. I remember reading as a child that unicorns are very wise, and I feel like at this point in my life I've had enough experiences to give me that sense of wisdom, while also maintaining the childlike curiosity that I feel come with rainbows. Reason number 3. Being a unicorn, I know how important it is to sometimes see life through rose-tinted glasses. Oh! And let's just be real for a moment. Me seeing life through these rose-tinted glasses isn't me being naive. It's important for us to see the positive side of life, even though everything around us can sometimes be negative and dragging us down. Because if you don't still see the positive side, honey, you're gonna be very, very sad. And linking to that, reason number 4, why be stuck in a bland reality when you can bring unicorns and mermaids and all of these mystical glitter things into your everyday life? Reason number 5, looking like this. Of course, unicorns love eating candy, and so do I. So I feel like that's a really good reason for me to be classified into the unicorn group. Reason number 6. People who see me on a day-to-day basis also know that I have a unicorn backpack, and all of my daily fantastical, magical glitter necessities go in here. And let's be real, that's just more reasons why I'm a unicorn. Oh. I'm just saying. And those are the reasons why I believe that I am a unicorn. Thank you guys for watching this video, and on a real note, thank you so much for just always letting me be. To come onto my channel and to proclaim that I am some mystical being yet again. It really means a lot to me that you guys watch this content and that you enjoy it. So if you do, please do leave a comment down below. Let me know, what mystical creature are you? Can you think of any other reasons for me to be a unicorn? Do you like my pink hair? Yeah, leave all of those things in the comments down below. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notifications bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one.